Families love three-row crossovers, and one of the most popular is the Toyota Highlander. All new for 2020, the Highlander features new tech and comforts you're bound to love. To learn about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research Toyota, and then select Highlander Hybrid. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The 2020 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is about as all-new as you can call a vehicle these days. Everything from the stereo to the chassis has undergone significant revisions. The result is a Highlander that is more spacious, modern, and luxurious than ever before. Pricing starts at $38,200. The model we're looking at here is a top-level Platinum with some extra options. As you see it, $52,512 including destination. Up front is a gas-powered 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that puts out 186 horsepower. This works together with 3 electric motors for a total system output of 243 horsepower. One of these motors is located between the back wheels, which gives the Highlander Hybrid all-wheel drive capability. The only transmission option is a CVT. EPA rates this setup at 34 miles to the gallon on the highway and 35 in the city. Cargo capacity is identical to the non-hybrid model, with 16 cubic feet behind the third row, 48.4 with the third row folded, and 84.3 with all the passenger seats folded flat. Second row seating is a straight-up luxury experience, as our test car came complete with captain's chairs, USB power, and second row aircon. Up front, the Highlander continues with the luxury appointments. That includes soft-touch leather and a massive center screen. Really, everywhere you look, it's nicely trimmed in leather accents. Power up the Highlander Hybrid, and the gauge cluster reveals a multifunction display in the center, giving you all the info you would ever need. All trim levels of the Highlander Hybrid include Toyota's latest Safety Sense 2.0 system. This gives you collision mitigation with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitor, rear cross-traffic alerts, parking assist, and adaptive cruise control with lane centering and lane departure alerts. Even the headlights are LED with adaptive control. The large 12.3-inch touchscreen provides a wealth of camera views, including virtual 3D outside view, surround view, as well as reverse with tow and tracking guides. All the real estate on the screen is used smartly. The driver can even reconfigure various layouts. Plug in with USB for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto support. Though the Highlander Hybrid does have an Eevee mode, it's really intended just for parking lots and not cruising. Once you push the throttle more than just a little bit, the full system comes online. However, charging, acceleration, gas, and electric working together is totally seamless. On paved roads, the Highlander Hybrid drives very much like the V6 model, which is especially surprising considering this new Highlander Hybrid actually has less power than last year's hybrid model. But even so, there is still plenty of passing power, and the brakes, they feel like normal brakes, which is high praise for a hybrid system. For 2020, the hybrid model includes a trail button. When engaged, this shifts more power to the rear electric motor to give more grip in tricky situations. If a wheel spins, brakes will apply to help redistribute that power to the other wheels. It's an effective system that makes the new Highlander Hybrid more capable than you might expect. If you have a growing family but you don't want to compromise comfort, style, or capability, the new Toyota Highlander Hybrid is an excellent three-row crossover option. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see all the options from Toyota. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Toyota dealer today.